Hi guys, today I'm making the vegetable pakora. Now I'm going to show you the ingredient which one I need for the vegetarian pakoras. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mango powder. I have 3 green chilies that I cut in this size, 1 teaspoon of ginger, some cilantro, 1 red onion, 1 potato, some cubes of cauliflower, 1 bowl of spinach, 1 cup of gram flour. I have 1 cup of water. I'm going to show you how I mix it. Put the cauliflower, the onion, the potato, spinach, chilies, cilantro, ginger, salt, red chili, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili flakes. I'm going to add the mango powder. I'm going to add gram flour little by little. I'm going to add little bit more. I'm going to add the water little by little. I'm going to add little bit more water. I'm going to add little bit more water. Now you see everything is blending properly like that. To have a better coating on the vegetable, I have to put little bit more flour. I put all this one also. So I put 1.5 cup of flour. I have to put little bit more water to mix it properly. I'm going to rest it this one for 10 minutes. It has been already 10 minutes. So I'm going to start the pakoras now. I put the pan on the high heat. I have to put the oil for fry. Let the oil heat up, then I show you how to make a pakora. My oil is heat up now. I'm going to make a veggie pakora. So we have to take like this amount, put like that. It's not you have to put like proper size. You can put as ever you like. It takes me like 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Let me check. Just I'm looking, let it little bit brown, then I have to flip up. I'm looking at that. When it's little bit brown, I have to turn out the pakoda. We have to make it like crispy and brown. You have to check always. Change the side. When you see the color is like that, then you can take it out turn by turn. Now I'm going to make a second batch. When you're making the pakora, you have to flip time by time, like after 2 minutes, then it's not get burned. Only we need the brown and crispy. See, it's brown now. I'm just making one more batch last. If you feel like you have a less salt in the pakoras, you can put a little bit chaat masala on that. Now I'm making the tamarind sauce with the pakoda. I already soaked this one 4 hours, so it's look like that. Now I have to filter this one. I have to filter with the strainer. I'm going to add 1 cup of water again in this one, and then I have to filter again. I put this pulp in one pan and have to put a little bit more water. Now I have to put some jaggery, 4-5 pieces of jaggery. I have to boil this one for 10 or 15 minutes. The tamarind chutney is done. It's look like that. I have to add 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili. Now it's time to close the gas. I'm just making the chai on the side like the Indian tea, so we can drink with the pakoda. Now you see the imli chutney is done, so you can dip like that and you can enjoy the pakoras. And you can, if you don't want this chutney, then you can eat with the ketchup.